Now, where do we apply the knowledge of viscosity? See, first of all, the knowledge of viscosity plays a very important and vital role in circulation of blood in human body through arteries and veins, because if blood gets more denser, more thicker, then it will be harder for the veins for the proper circulation of blood, and it can cause some internal injury for various organs of the body. So it helps in the circulation of blood, and if something is not right, then the medication can be started. So this one we are writing circulation of blood. Then knowledge of viscosity gives us the knowledge to select a proper liquid material as a lubricant in machinery, because every machinery will, when it's on working mode, it will actually produce heat, and with that heat we have to pour in that kind of liquid which is acting as a lubricant, but it's not burning out with excessive heat, right? So we have to use a liquid which is working as a lubricant as well, but it is playing good role in not burning out with the increase in temperature of machinery. So viscosity, the knowledge of viscosity is helping us in finding the proper lubricant for machinery parts. Then knowledge of viscosity also is applicable in selecting liquid which are used as buffers, which are used inside buffers in railway bogies. What are buffers? Buffers are those this much, when you see a bogie from behind, you see those circular projections, big circular projections, they are actually suspensions. They are called buffers, so they actually stop the collision between any two individual bogies. So proper liquid is used inside buffers in train bogies. Then liquids of denser liquids of proper viscosity or coefficient of viscosity, they are used in damping the oscillations in small machinery such as galvanometer, ammeter, where when we get a reading, needle goes up to the reading because of the going current value, but when the circuit is switched off, the needle goes back and it will keep on oscillating unless and until this oscillation is damped. So that damping process is done by selecting some liquid. So it is used also in damped oscillations. These are few of the applications of viscosity which we apply in everyday life.